Alright, so we're going to talk about an important process that's never talked about. It's called split testing. Some of you are like, what's split testing? In the online world, split testing is where you've got one website. And when you go to the one website, it's going to show you two different variations randomly. So one person's going to see a completely, on the same exact website, they're going to see a completely different look and feel. And someone else is going to see a completely different look and feel. And these online marketers, what they're doing is they're testing to see what works the best. Does this website convert better or this website convert better? You've got to do this in your network marketing business, not with your websites, but with your scripts, with your approach, with your invite. Go take a specific invite. When people ask me, hey, what script works the best? Should I do this invite? Should I do that invite? Go take your invite, write it down and say, okay, I'm going to invite 50 people this way. I'm going to invite 50 more people this way. And then what I want you to do is I want you to split test and say, okay, I converted 30 this way and this way I only converted 15. And as you do this consistently, you're going to get results. You're going to get data. You're going to see which one works the best. And now what you can do is you can come back and say, oh my goodness, I closed 30 people this way, or I had 30 people take a look this way and the other way only 15. So I'm going to do this approach. And then you go do it again and again and again. This one little tip strategy of split testing can absolutely change your business if you apply it. So go take massive action and apply the split testing strategy to your business.